Welcome back to the channel. This is my Cars and Coffee Folsom video for Saturday, May 18th, 2019. We are lucky enough to have the West Coast Lotus Meet attend this car meet, so we had some beautiful Lotus cars to take a look at. So after the introduction, I'll walk around in some of the interesting cars, including some of those beautiful Lotus cars, and then I'll do the general walkthrough. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel already, please subscribe to Retro Car Guy 530's YouTube channel. It's free, and check me out on the various social media platforms looking for Retro Car Guy 530. Now let's start taking a look at some of those beautiful cars. Let's start off with the interesting car walk around, which includes several of those beautiful Lotus cars from the West Coast Lotus Meet that attended this week.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Now let's begin the general walk around of the cars that attended the May 18th, 2019 Cars and Coffee Folsom car meet. We're coming to the end of this week's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. If you're watching on Instagram TV, please follow me on Instagram, RetroCarGuy530, and also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and consider becoming a supporting member of RetroCarGuy530 LLC on Patreon.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button. If this is the first time you stop by the channel, please click the subscribe button to the right. It's free. Click that bell notification to get notified when I upload new videos. Follow RetroCarGuy530 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Patreon. Thanks for coming to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.